Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to be learning how to make our gradients transparent. If you aren't quite sure how to use the gradient tool, you can check out our tutorial. Now to begin, we have our gradient selected. And so to change to a transparent gradient, we simply come up to the box in the top left to open our gradient editor. Now, handily, there is already a transparent preset in Photoshop underneath Basic. In order to access it, just click the little arrow. You can tell which one it is, as it has the grey and white checkerboard pattern under one side, which is used to indicate transparency. To change the colour, simply double-click at the end of the gradient opposite to the checkered pattern and select from the colour wheel. Click OK and then hold and click and drag to create your gradient. And as you can see, half of it is transparent. If we change the type of gradient, we can get some interesting visual effects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more.